Depending on whether you've searched for courses, apprenticeships or providers, you'll be presented with a list of results. So in the search here, let's do a search on motor. And here we are, some courses in motor vehicle. Now what we can do with this left-hand column is we can filter by various things. Let's start with course level. If I click level 1 here, then that is a course in motor vehicle that's available at level 1. And you can see level 1 highlighted here in orange. So if we clear level 1, and if we clear motor, we can also look by course type. So if we go down here, let's look at Cambridge Technical. So if I click Cambridge Technical, we can see a list of Cambridge technical qualifications, and it's highlighted in orange in the left-hand column again. You'll also notice an orange eye icon next to various areas. If you click this, let's look at subject level. It's explaining how important it is to understand subject level, but it also gives a click here. And this opens the relevant page in Start that explains all the different levels. This opens in a new tab, and we can close this tab when we want to go back to Start to Apply. We can look at start dates. Let's clear these. We can look at start dates. So I go down to the bottom, courses, which are starting next September. And here's the list. And we can also search for different providers. So if I clear this, and then up here, if I typed Notre Dame, here are all the courses at Notre Dame that I can look through. Now at the bottom, another way of searching for providers and locations is to click this map here. This opens in a new window as well. You can hover over any of these locations and it will tell you what and who they are. And you can think about how far places are from where you live. So I used to live in Headingley, so I can zoom in on Headingley and I can look at these places which are close to where I lived in Headingley. Close that down. If I wanted to, another option, we clear this. If I wanted to look at apprenticeships, for instance, so here are apprenticeships without an actual vacancy that's published. But also, there are apprenticeships here where a vacancy is published. There aren't any at the moment. If I click apprenticeships, now if a provider is accepting applications via Start to Apply for an apprenticeship, I can see this by clicking on it, and if apprenticeship applications are welcomed, you can click the green Apply button. And that's how to view and filter in Start to Apply.